Hi, I'm Elliot Rodriguez, and welcome to Jury Duty, an important right that every American has. Just as every American has the right to a fair trial and a right to their day in court. As you wait to find out what your role will be as a potential juror, let's take a look at the importance of jury duty. Here's the Miami-Dade County Clerk of the Courts, Harvey Rubin.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Harvey Rubin, proud to be serving as your Clerk of Courts in Miami-Dade County. Our office administers the jury process, so we will have people on hand all day to help you and to answer any questions you might have. Because you are extremely valuable. You should never underestimate your value. Because the constitutional mandate of every person having a right to a trial by jury of their peers cannot happen without you. So I hope this is an experience you'll look back upon with satisfaction and pride, because you stepped up to do your civic duty when called upon. Thank you again.
What's the first thing you think of when you hear the words jury duty?
I'm hoping jurors don't think it's a waste of their time or an inconvenience to their schedule. It's an important and valuable service as a citizen. I felt like I was treated fairly by a jury made up of all types of people from the community.
It's time to take a fresh look at jury service, not as a duty, but as a privilege. See why there is no justice without you.
The most important thing I say to jurors for the first time is thank you. Because even though it's called jury duty, it really is a service. It's a service to our community and to our country.
It all starts with the selection process when jurors are chosen for a trial.
So we sat in the gallery and we waited for the court clerk to call us out by name.
Getting picked for the jury made me feel important. And you're part of a process that's going to make a difference in a stranger's life.
I want to explain a little bit of why you're here and why it's so important that you're serving your community as a juror. Jury duty is one of the few things our country asks of us as citizens. And by your showing up today, you fulfilled that oath. So thank you very much for your service.
Being a juror is connecting to your neighbors, your community, and your country. Here now is the Chief Judge for the 11th Judicial Circuit of Florida, Judge Bertilla Soto.
I am so happy to be greeting you and thanking you for your jury service. Everyone in this country is constitutionally given the right to a jury by their peers. Our system, our 123 judges in the largest circuit in Florida, could not function without your service, giving up your work, your family, your time for being here today and doing your civic duty. We want you to know that the community and the judges thank you so much. We could not exist without your work today. Please have patience. Please understand that things have to get done, but we will get to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much, and we're happy you're here.
Your job as a juror will be the most important one in the courtroom. You and your fellow jurors will be the only ones who determine the truth.
I thought it was great watching how the law worked in action.
It was amazing to watch each attorney present their case and argue with each other. In the end, I believe the truth came out.
You will find that with the great power of being a juror comes great responsibility.
The verdict was not only going to affect one person's life, but their family's life.
The ramifications would ripple a lot further than what was just in the courtroom.
I just felt great responsibility to feel that justice was being served.
If you think trials are dramatic on TV and in the movies, just wait until you participate in a real one.
I've never been to court before. I didn't really know what to expect here today. Look, my job was easy, just to tell the truth about what I saw. But the jury, they had to figure out the whole story.
What you realize is this is real, it's not just TV.
This is not fake drama, this is real drama.
And you're part of the process that's going to make a difference in a stranger's life.
When they read the verdict, it was a very dramatic moment.
I think we were all holding our breath.
One of the most amazing things is after talking to the jurors about their experience during trial, almost unanimously, they had a good experience. They felt empowered by their service as jurors.
To this point, I did not understand the significance of jurors in the system.
I would say to anyone that's about to be a part of the jury process to recognize how special it is.
Consider jury service as a privilege.
Jury service is a chance to participate in our democracy because without juries, there is no justice. And there is no justice without you.
If anything were to happen to me, I would want a jury of my peers helping me out and hearing my side of the story.
Being a juror is connecting to your neighbors, your community, and your country.
Embrace it, go forward. It's interesting and also very educational.
It's a profound experience.
It's a chance to participate in your democracy.
I look forward to the day I have a chance to serve on the jury. It's an important and valuable service as a citizen.
Consider jury service as a chance to add to and preserve the fabric of your community.
Because without juries, there's no justice. And there's no justice without you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before we begin, I would like to address those of you who may have difficulty speaking or understanding the English language. For any jurors who might have difficulty speaking or understanding the English language, please come forward and receive further instructions from a member of our staff. Thank you.
Buenos días, damas y caballeros. Antes de comenzar, nos gustaría dirigirnos a los miembros del jurado que tienen dificultad entendiendo o hablando el idioma de inglés. Si usted no habla o entiende inglés, por favor, preséntase a un miembro de nuestro personal para recibir instrucciones adicionales. Gracias.
Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Nom moi c'est Fred Séraphin. Avant que nous commencer, nous t'aimerais adresser à nous-mêmes qui ont problème, qui ont difficulté pour nous parler anglais ou bien qui pas comprennent anglais. Si vous pas parlez anglais, si vous avez difficulté pour comprendre anglais, s'il vous plaît, avancez, approchez-nous pour nous capables de recevoir plus d'informations, plus d'instructions dans mes employés au cap travail ici à la aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup.